Esta code passage number 4. Start. I am directed to say that a case has recently come to the notice of the governor in which some difference of opinion cropped up between the finance department and an administrative department over the terms and conditions to be offered to an appointed on contract basis full stop. The governor has been pleased to observe that the whole dispute has arisen because of the fact that at the time of making the original offer, prior consultation with the finance department was not made full stop. The governor has directed that in future before making any such offer, which should be strictly in accordance with the rules, prior of finance department should be obtained so that there is no confusion later on full stop. I am to request that this directive may kindly be brought to the notice of all concerned for guidance and strict compliance full stop. It has come to the notice of the Chief Minister Punjab that the appointing authorities make appointments of persons who do not fulfill the conditions of appointment, such as age, without obtaining the requisite relaxation of rules from the competent authority before making such appointments full stop. The competent authorities, including the Chief Minister, are therefore asked to allow ex post facto relaxation of rules full stop. Such course of action which amounts to violation of rules is being adopted by the departments as a matter of routine, and the competent authorities are presented with faith accomplished full stop. It has, therefore, been decided that all proposals involving violation of law irregularities may be proceeded against under the efficiency and discipline rules full stop. Consequently, no proposals for post facto relaxation of rules shall be entertained by this department in future full stop. Paragraph. I am directed to refer to this department's circular letter number SOR 16 dated 17th, May 1982 on the subject noted above, and to say that it has been pointed out that junior officers are being posted against higher posts in their own pay and grade, that and this is followed by requested from the respective administrative departments to finance department for allowing pay of the post full stop. Paragraph. Appointment to higher posts in on pay and grade has no meaning in law full stop. Detailed instructions on the subject have already been issued via this department's letter referred to above full stop. It has, however, been observed that some appointing authorities are not adhering to to these instructions full stop. Since this course of action is violative of law and rules, comma, it is requested that the instructions on the subject may be brought to the notice of all concerned for strict compliance full stop. Violation of the instructions should be taken serious notice of, and appropriate steps should be taken to arrest the tendency of formula, comma, rules and instructions, comma. I am directed to refer to this department noted above and to say that performa promotion is allowed in order to rectify a mistake and restore established legal right of a government servant full stop. It always involves payment of areas of government servant full stop. It always involves payment of arrears of pay and allowances full stop. The employee granted pro forma promotion gets such arrears without actually performing the duties of the higher post full stop. It is apparently for these reasons that pro forma promotion has to be restricted only to the cases where a junior person has been regularly promoted to a higher post in preference to the senior who is unduly deprived of promotion on his turn full stop. Extension of this benefit to seniors in case of appointment of juniors on acting or current charge, comma, affecting promotion and other stopgap arrangement is not permissible because such arrangements are made in urgency of service and do not affect seniority of the seniors full stop. This position may be pleased brought to the notice of all concerned with a clear direction that stopgap arrangements should be made if absolutely necessary and only when regular promotion cannot be made full stop.